Hi and welcome to this Tenderize training video. I want to talk to you about managing your tasks and your task list across Tenderize with a variety of Kanban boards. Tasks can be set on a number of different elements across multiple modules. For example, a task can be linked to a question within the reference library module, to a project stage within the project workspace, or to a specific contract stage within contract management. To make all of these tasks easier to see and manage, you can use Kanban boards. Kanban boards are an agile project management tool that lets you move your tasks around between statuses like virtual post-it notes, giving you a clear and easy visual of everything you need to do. Within the system, we have more than one Kanban board available for you to use. One will give an overall view of every task assigned to you, while others will focus on a specific type of tasks, for example those that are linked to projects. So, let's have a look at the system. I've come to the project workspace element of Tenderize, and you can see I already have a view of my project tasks in the bottom left hand corner here. However, I don't want to show you the panels, I want to show you the Kanban boards. So I'm going to come over to the quick access bar and click on the third option. This brings up some report options. The first Kanban board I want to show you is the All Assigned Tasks board. Here you can see the All Tasks Kanban board, which shows me every single task I have assigned to me across the system. You can see each of the tasks have a red, amber, green stripe down the side of them. This indicates the priority of the task. So, a task with a green stripe down the left-hand side is a low priority, an amber stripe is a medium, and a red is a high priority. There are also some flags on each of the tasks. A green flag means it's a newly added task. An amber flag means that it's due soon, which you can see by the date due in the bottom corner. And then a red flag shows me a task that is overdue. Progress bars indicate whether a task has been started, not started, or is fully completed. The little person lets me see that one person is assigned to this task. There may be additional people assigned to a task, so you could have 2 or 3 people working on the same thing. I can use my filter at the top here to search for key terms and limit my tasks. You can search for any of the terms that are visible on the board. So, for example, this project is St. Luke's. Or I can search by terms in the task name itself. Because example appears both in a task name and in a project name, it brings back both. You can also create new tasks from within the board and either assign them to yourself or to colleagues. I mentioned that there's more than one Kanban board available. Within the project workspace, you can just view your own project tasks. As you can see, that filters anything out that is assigned to a question or a contract and only shows you the tasks that are specifically linked to projects you're working on. This can make it a little easier to see exactly what you're dealing with because it limits the field of information. The really important bit about working with a Kanban board is that you don't have to click and open each task individually. You can if you want to update them in this way. Maybe I want to update to 80%. But the benefit of the Kanban board is that you can take your not started task and drag it to in progress, where it will update and say that you have begun working on that and give it a halfway completion. When it's done, you can drag it to completed and it will move that to 100% for you. If you drag the wrong one, taking it back to in progress will push that percentage back down to 50, and you can bring it across to either deferred or waiting on someone else, which will not affect the percentage, but will let the project manager see that that is not currently a piece of work that you're actively working on. The other Kanban board that we have available is the risks board. Similar to the task board, you can see they all have a stripe along the left hand side, which is indicating their impact. Again, you can filter and add new risks from this screen. For more information on risks, there is a quick guide and there's also some detailed information in the project workspace user guide. So that's an introduction to Kanban boards and how you can use them to effectively manage your tasks. If you have any questions, your first port of call should be the collaboration module of Tenderize, where you'll find a list of training materials and videos. Alternatively, you can contact your super user, or you can email TradeAxe at the email address on screen.